What's up, guys? This is Kevin with Riding with the Rileys. I wanted to talk a little bit about some handling upgrades that we did to our Class A motorhome. We have a Georgetown GT7. It's a 2021 model. It's got the F53 chassis. It's got the new V8 motor in it, and the Ford chassis coming from the factory are just notorious for having horrible handling. And after we got the motorhome, went on a trip for about 1,000 miles, we knew exactly we needed to do some handling upgrades. So after doing a lot of research, we ended up taking our motorhome to Safety Plus up in Georgia. There's a lot of places you can have it done, but we were up that way traveling anyway. So we had them install a Safety Plus front steering stabilizer. We had them put Koni Shocks on there as well. We had them put a Henderson Rear track bar on there. And then I installed Summa Springs myself. I had not planned on doing the Summa Springs, but again, another issue with the Ford chassis is the bump stops kept falling off. So I said to heck with that and just install the Summa Springs myself. That was easy to do, and I'll do another video on how I did that install. But this video that's coming up is after we had left Safety Plus and we had drove about 500 miles. Had the wife film me driving to kind of show you how much more stable the steering is. Now, I do drive with one hand. I normally don't drive like that. I'm just trying to show you how much more stable the steering is. It got rid of all of the sway, all of the bouncing, especially going through the bridge transfers. That's much better. I mean, it's still there. It's a Class A motorhome. And the pushing from the 18-wheelers coming up is so much better. So now it's much more comfortable to drive. I don't get fatigued driving as well. So anyway, this video coming up is us after we left Safety T Plus after about 500 miles. Want you to check it out, and hopefully if you got any comments or whatever, leave them down below. I ask that you please go in and subscribe and like our videos, help us grow our YouTube channel. You can share all of our journeys across the country. So thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, so we put in about 500 miles since we've done the Safety Plus upgrade, rear track bar, new shocks, Safety Plus steering stabilizer for front. So I wanted to wait and got some miles on it, see the handling's much better. I can pretty much drive with one hand now, where I couldn't do that before. Trucks passing by are much better. You still get a little bit of push, but nothing like it was. Crosswinds are much better. What's interesting is we think that, or not think, we feel like having the shocks makes the approach ride much smoother and quieter than that. I mean, it's still a gas motorhome, so you still got the motor up front, but it's much better. You can see I'm just driving with one hand. It's not that big of a deal now. In the past, I'd have to sit here and do this, but pretty much just, cruising down the road, much better. Glad we did those upgrades. I'm like right here, just one hand in the wheel. Amazing. So anyway, I highly recommend those upgrades. Thank you.